Chupa! Andito kami ngayon sa laundry. Kasi Saturday ngayon, hindi pumasok ang aking asawa kasi masakit ang katawan. At saka umuulan kanina, so hindi siya pumasok sa FedEx niya. So ang ginawa namin ngayon is nag-challenge siya ng fasting for 24 hours. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Anong oras na ba? Teka lang guys, titignan ko yung oras. Baby, what time is it now?
Where's my keys? What time is it? 4:18. So we got 20 minutes. I will set the alarm here. Usually it takes about 20 minutes.
Ano, tag dito? Hindi pa kami kumakain simula kanina umaga. Ang kinain ko lang yung strawberry at saka tubig. Kaya ngayon, ang pwede lang daw namin kainin is fruits saka tubig. So, fasting for 24 hours. Hold on, not seatbelt yet. So, ayun na. Tapos daw, pagka nagawa ko daw yung challenge, bibigyan daw niya ako ng $30. Oh my God. Dapat $40. Pag nagawa ko yung 48 hours na fasting. Nagpa-fasting na nga niya ako kasi meron nagko-comment dun sa aking video sa mga vlog na mag-diet ka. Wala na siyang tigil. Alam mo, ewan ko pero lahat ng comment niya, lagi niya sinasabi, nagko-comment siya na mag-diet ka. Wala kong pay na, ito na, magda-diet na ako. Kaya yung utak ko, umaalog-alog yun kasi hindi pa kumakain ng almusal. So, ang kailangan lang namin kainin is fruits. Ayan. Nag-diet ako ng aking asawa kasi pangit din daw pala kasi pagka, di ba nga, pagka tumataba, basta mahirap din. Di ba? Saka parang lagi kang pagod pagka mataba ka, lagi kang tamad. Hindi naman sinasabi niyo yung mga matatabang, mga tamad. Kasi ako, na-experience ko yung, hindi naman baka mamaya may magsabi na, ba't ako taba-taba ako pero ang sipag-sipag ko. Pero yung mga gano'n. May mga iba kasi na mataba talaga, malaking tulos talaga yung pagkapanganak. Pero ako kasi, payat ako nung baby ako. Sobrang liit. So, lumaki ako ng lumaki, pumayat ako ng pumayat. Ngayon, just sabi na ako, nagkakalaman ako. Patamad ako ng patamad. Yun yung experience ko. So, ngayon, iniwan namin yung aming damit doon sa laundry. Mabalik kami mamaya. Bibili muna kami ng fruits dito sa Piggly Wiggly. Kanina umuulan. Pangkumpay ang ulan ngayon ang tumigil ng alas 3. So, ngayong alas 4, pumunta kami dito sa laundry nga. Pa-laundry nga. Ay, nakakainis. Parang hindi ko gusto mag-fasting. Masakit ang parang painis ako ng painis. Yung alam mo yung mabilis ka na umiinit, parang mabilis ka na sumabog. Ganun po pagka nagugutom ako. Kaya kinukontrol ko. Pero kakain naman kami ng prutas. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Gusto ko ng lemon. Ay, lemon? Melon. Anong lemon? Kakainin mo. Gusto ko nga ng donut. Kumakainis. Sabi ko, I eat one donut. No? Sabi ko.
You're gonna ruin your fasting. Not do that. Fruits and water. That's it.
Diba? Opo. At saka maganda rin pala yung nagpa-fasting ka. Alam mo kung bakit? Parang lumilinaw yung yung paningin ko. Kasi pagkabusog ako, parang nalalabo na yung mata ko. Okay, nandito na ako sa Piggly Wiggly. Bibili lang kami ng fruits. Napakabilis na.
You can eat first if you want. I'm gonna wait until we stop over there and open it.
I'm gonna remove this one. Why did I sit again?
Go. Put the seatbelts on. We're in the parking lot, so it's okay.
namin. Ito lang maghapon kakainin namin. At sa kanya, yung binili ko yung mas maganda. Tanan! Diba?
That's our only meal of the day.
Ayan. Can I eat now?
Yeah.
$6. Oh. $6. Parang tinatamad na ako mag-fasting. I can't open it.
Do it. Don't use the fork. You're gonna break it. If you can't open it, wait till we stop. I'll open it.
I open it! Oh my God.
Good job, baby. You have muscle now.
Dati kasi hindi ko makabuksan yung mga bagay-bagay na ganyan. Kain tayo.
And if you decide you still want to do it tomorrow, we can do it again tomorrow too.
What are we gonna do tomorrow?
Well, I have to take the yard waste out to the compost site. I gotta help Nick move. I think that's all. And I need to go get the wood over in my work so I can fix our bed frame. So it's gonna be a little bit busy. So I might not have time to fix it. I might just go pick up the 2x4, put it in the garage, and then I'll probably fix it Monday or Tuesday.
Ito hindi ito papaya. Melon. Melon to. Tapos yung green, melon din na hilaw. Tapos watermelon. Watermelon.
Oh, you're making great progress so far. It's for you, baby. It's made it all the way to 4:30. Just have to make it till tomorrow morning.
Tapos bukas kumain ng marami, no? Tayong fasting for today's video. Pero ano nyo guys, maganda pala pagka nagpa-fasting ka kasi diba fasting ka isang buong 24 hours ka hindi kumain. Kinabukasan, parang kakain ka, konti na lang. Parang tatamarin ka na kumain. Ganyan yung na-experience ko dati nung nasa Philippines. Try ako mag-fasting. Kinabukasan, parang tinatamad na kumain. Pagka nakakakita akong pagkain, nabubusog agad ako, parang gano'n. Ito ngayon, tinatry ko ulit. Kasi, masarap na mga pagkain dito. Tsaka malalaki mga serve nila. Kaya hindi mo maya ibasang mag-diet dito. Pero subukan pa rin natin mag-diet.
I think we have an open spot.
Yay!
That guy doesn't know how to park. He take up both parking spots. He's supposed to park farther to the left so other people can park too.
Ngayon pala namin gagawin bukas. Nalinis naman ang garden. Tapos, hindi kami kakain. Pagod na ako. Naisip ko palang pagod na ako. Done?
The big one is almost done, but the two small one had still got like 20 minutes on there.
Wanna eat your fruits?
Yeah. It's time to feast.
I like the fruits in Piggly Wiggly. It's very fresh.
Yeah, I think theirs is better than Walmart.
If we continue our fasting tomorrow, I'm gonna get $40.
Yes, you're gonna get double your allowance. But if you quit tomorrow, now you get 50%. I would like you to try 48, but if you can't, that's okay.
Maybe one of my subscriber, she was asking, comment on the YouTube that how many age gap we have, and then I said 16 years. I think they can't believe because you look like very young.
And what did she say? She
didn't comment yet. 16 years po yung gap namin. So siya,
you should have told her 61. And then see what her reaction is.
43 na siya. Anong ko magto-27 na sa October.
You know, a while back, my coworkers, they always asking for my age. And I told them that, well, take a guess. And they're like, 35? And I was like, well, I was 35 about 50 years ago. And then they're all like, how old are you anyway? And then I was like, well, if I can remember my memories, you know, my mom used to always change my diaper and bring me my baby bottle. And those are some of the good memories that I can remember. But that was when I was like, you know, 25. I would never tell them my real age. They always ask me and I don't tell them. I always just say, don't worry about it.
So hot, babe.
One time, one of the payroll, well, one of the girls that work in payroll in the office, she asked me, she's retired now already. She's older than me. She retired now already, but I remember one time she asked me and I told her I'm middle age. And she says, she doesn't believe me.
What middle age?
She says, I don't believe you, I'm middle age. Because that time she's in her 50s, I'm 35. And I said, well, how long do you think men live? And she was like 70, 75. And I was like, well, what's the middle age of that? And she says, but I'm middle age. I'm like, so you live to 100?
Sarap talaga nito. I said, this is delicious.
You like it? It's good. I'm glad we bought it over there instead of Walmart. Every time we buy Walmart, it's not fresh.
Yeah. Too old.
You know what we should do? We should fast every Sunday when we do laundry. So we come here, we can buy the fruits here.
Okay. So that way, I'm gonna have $40.
Well, it's only a challenge this time. Next time, you just do it.
Okay. Kasi
this time, I just give you extra to see if you can beat the challenge. But if you already beat the challenge, the next time, you just do it with me. But if you want a new challenge, then we're gonna. If you fail the 48, we'll do the 48.
Kasi guys, bibigyan niya ako every week ng $20. Mga, ano ba, kaekekan ba na ano. Pero ako hindi ko binibili. Hindi ako bumibili ng kung ano-ano kaekekan. Iniipon ko. Para if ever na may mas kailangan ako, ayun, di ba? Na expensive na bibilin. Ayun, mabibili ko. Hindi ako
But you know my next challenge. My next challenge is 10 pounds, 10,000 pesos. 20 pounds, 20,000 pesos.
Can't beat that.
It's hard to do it, but it's possible. If you want to do the 10-pound challenge, I'll give you a month. So you gotta lose about 2.5 pounds a week.
I don't think I can do that.
And if you want to do the 20-pound challenge, I'll give you 2.5 months. The 30-pound challenge will be 4 months. And then the 40-pound challenge will be about 5 months. And then if you want to try the 50-pound challenge, I'll give you 7 months to do it.
No one gonna do that. I'll give you 1 million if you can do that.
You don't have 1 million to give me. But if you did, I can beat the challenge.
What are you gonna do then? You're not gonna eat?
I'm just gonna eat nothing. And I'm gonna exercise and eat nothing. Okay, I better go check.
I'll wait for you here.
I'll be right back.
Do you want me to help you?
Nope.
I should help you. Have a small sack. Always look to the small sack because sometimes you lose it. Kasi minsan pagka umuwi kami, nawawala na yung ano ko maliliit kong medyas. Kaya sabi ko, tingnan.
It's almost done. I'm gonna wait for it. You wanna go inside too?
Aha.
Let's go.
Tapos lang na yung maglaba. Pagdating ko sa bahay, mag-aano ako. Tutupi. So, susunduin muna namin ang kanyang pamangkin.
Every night, but if we're not making progress, then just
We did. We exercise every night at the bed.
Well, that's what I'm saying, you know? It's like, why are we paying for membership if we're not seeing results?
No, I mean, we exercise inside.
Yes, I mean, we exercise there, and I think that's pretty adequate.
Exercise every midnight.
I think they like that gym better. Our personal gym. That's where all the exercise is being done. Well, that's where most of the exercise are being done. 90% of the exercise is done there. The gymnasium.
Baby, when you gonna get my bike?
Probably tomorrow.
Yay.
When I get the van. We're gonna take out the yard waste, and then I gotta help Nick move all his stuff. And then while I have the van, I'll go pick up the bike.
Am I gonna go with you tomorrow?
No.
Ay ka!
There's only 2 people that can ride the van. Nick can help me do the work.
Oh yeah.
So I don't want you to sit in the back because there's no seats.
Oh, there's a lot of birds.
There's seagulls.
A lot of birds.
So you can relax inside the house. It's probably gonna be hot tomorrow. You can stay inside, turn the AC on where it's cool.
I think it is gonna rain.
It's probably gonna rain some more later.
Maybe I feel like I wanna eat Marco's pizza.
But we can't eat till tomorrow. We cannot ruin our fasting.
Back out.
You cannot back out now. You have to make at least 24 hours.
I think I did already.
If you count yesterday from 9 o'clock, you still have to make it all the way till 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Yeah?
Yes. That's 24 hours. If you make it to 9 o'clock tonight, it's only 12 hours. You get it? It's only 12 hours. It's not 24. In order for you to hit the 24-hour mark, it would have to be all the way till tomorrow.
Maybe you're
9
wrong.
in the
You
morning.
different. Because the last time we ate last night is 7. And then 7 morning, that's gonna be 12 already. And then 7 p.m., that's gonna be 24 hours already. Right?
No, I don't think it was 7 p.m. yesterday. Last time we ate.
Or even let's say 9. Even let's say 9. We eat snack 9 p.m. And tomorrow morning at 9, that's gonna be 12. And then
okay,
9
yes.
at the evening.
Okay, yes. we're not counting like that. We're counting on the first day, which is midnight yesterday. So midnight yesterday, because that's officially the new day.
Okay.
So midnight yesterday, you'd have to wait at least until midnight today for it to be an official 24 hours. Just wait till tomorrow. You can do it. We're gonna sleep through it. It'll be fine. And tomorrow morning, I'll take you to a big breakfast at McDonald's. Or we can get donuts over at Dunkin' Donuts. And we can have coffee with donuts. Okay? And then in the afternoon, if you want Marco's Pizza for lunch, we'll eat lunch after I go to the yard
No, I think I'm gonna cook riscaldo.
And if you want to cook, that's fine too. We can eat.
And whenever I cook, you're gonna eat it.
Of course.
I'm gonna use your sticky rice because I need that for my riscaldo.
Sure.
And I'm gonna put some chicken in there. And I'm gonna cook the
Whatever you want to
tofu
make,
and
baby.
I'm gonna make a tofu and egg roll.
Whatever you want to make, baby, I'll eat it. You know I'm gonna eat it.
Okay. So Nick gonna go home later at night.
Well, he's moving in tomorrow.
So he's gonna sleep there tonight.
Yeah, he's with us from now on. That's why I said today's the last day us together, up by ourselves.
If we diet, you should do that to Nick, diet. Because Nick is so fat.
It's up to him.
Is that Nick?
Yeah, that's right. That's up to him if he wants to diet, but when it's you and me, we're gonna do it together.
Okay. So guys, kakatas ko lang magtupi ng aming damit. Tingnan mo yung labas namin, oh. Alas 6 na ng hapon. Ay, alas 6 na ng gabi. Alas 8 ba to o alas 6? Teka lang, check ko lang yung oras. Shit, alas 8 na ng gabi. Tignan mo. Dilaw na dilaw ang ano namin. Kanina kasi nag-uulan. Hindi ko alam bakit ganito. Nakakatakot, ah. Kanina madilim. Tingnan mo, dilaw na dilaw. Diba?
Holy damn! What the hell?
Yeah, I was looking for it and then I said, why it's color yellow?
It's so bright out.
Wait, what is that?
Oh no, I just saw.
I never seen like this before.
Yeah,
What is this?
weird.
So yellow.
Yeah, I've never seen
Look,
it
the
before.
people out
either.
there came out.
Yeah, it is weird. That's awesome.
Listen.
Holy. Yeah, they're predicting a thunderstorm tonight, so it's probably gonna be like this all the way till 11 o'clock. You should probably just sleep over, Nick.
You know, I never see like this before.
Or maybe later. I should hold on that.
No, you're fine. No, you're fine.
That's weird. I was like, so bright out.
I said, did you open the light in the
Not
kitchen?
Because it's so bright over here too. See?
Mm-hmm.
Weird.
So yellow.
Yeah.
My screen is blue.
I don't know what is going on.
How you found it?
How did I find it? I just came out of the room and then I saw it.
It's all yellow.
Yeah, weird.
How weird. Yeah.
Some weird shit.
It's Asian Day. That's what's going on. Yellow.
It's yellow. It's Asian Day.
You're done?
Obviously not white.
You're done?
I'm just playing my game.
I'm playing your game.
I just say, oh, what's happening? Why it's color yellow? Earlier, it's almost night.
Weird.
I never see like this before.
No, I've never seen it before. So weird.
So bright. Wala ng mga neighbor namin nagsilabasan din. Bakit naging yellow yung labas? Alas 8 na. Eh dapat dito ano na eh. Tag dito may bagyo kasi ngayon dito eh. Kaya ay, hindi pa ako nakakita ng ganito. Kakaiba. Natakot ako. Akala ko ano yun? Bakit Di ba nakakaano? Nakakatakot. Alam mo, ewan ko bakit siguro hindi pa kasi ako kumakain. Kaya ganito yung aking pakiramdam. So, 24 hours, hindi ko kaya. Ako, parang gusto ko na kumain ng chocolate. May chocolate pa ako sa rep eh. Parang, ayoko isipin. Baliw na ako, nagugutom na ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Ang hirap magpapayat. Nakakainis. Galaw naman ako ng galaw, di ba? Kasi lamon ako ng lamon. Sakto na sikmura ako, kanina pa tumutunog. Hindi na ako makapag-edit kasi tinatamad pa ako. Bukas na lang. Pagka ganahan ako, bukas na ako mag-edit kasi wala talagang lamaulak. Utak ko parang puro bulak. At hindi ko alam. Bakit ganito? Dilaw na dilaw yung labas. Natatakot ako. Never pa na-experience ito ng buhay ko. Sa Philippines, meron ganito. Pero hindi ganyan. Yung andilin ng ulap, tapos biglang may dilaw na ano. Gusto ko nga lumabas eh. Try ko kaya lumabas. Diba? Nakakaaning. Parang nagpailaw yung kapitbahay namin ng dilaw na ilaw, no? Nakakaaning. Okay, oras ngayon is 10:10. Oh my God, it's my birthday! Lagi ko nakikita tong oras na to. Natamad na ako. Thank you guys for watching my video and don't forget to like and subscribe and huwag din kayong makalimot na mag-fasting every Saturday. Tatry na nga namin yan. Every Saturday and Sunday, tatry namin mag-fasting, di ba? Para healthy naman kahit pa paano. Thank you guys for watching me and God bless. I love you all and thank you po sa lahat na mga nanonood sa mga Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Taray. Sa mga iba bansa, sa mga abroad. Thank you po and wala na pong salamat. Sana gabayan kayo ni God na lahat ng nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, no? Sana always happy and don't forget to pray all the time, di ba?